Are you having trouble with your WordPress website hosted at TVCNet? Here is a quick list of things to try when troubleshooting common WordPress issues. 1. Use an incognito browser window and be sure first to verify your website's space usage in cPanel. 2. Have a staging site set up? Check if your staging site works without error to rule out server issues. 3. Rename your WordPress plugins directory and re-enable them one by one. 4. Switch to a default theme. 5. Add a debug line to your wp-config.php file to better view errors. 6. Ensure you are using PHP 8.1 Plus and check your website's memory limit. 7. Using Cloudflare? Clear your cache and enable developer mode. 8. Likewise, be sure to use plugins like UpdraftPlus for additional backups. 9. Be sure to keep your website plugins and themes updated and consider a staging environment for testing. 10. And finally, be sure to contact TVCNet if website issues persist. TVCNet loves helping people.